Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing today? Hope everybody is doing good. Gotta get them likes up, you guys. Kind of lacking on the likes there. Good morning, good morning. If you live in Florida, look at the sun. So beautiful. Wish I could do that right now. All right. So where are we here? So let's see what gold is doing today. I look real good today. I look real good today. I look real good today. All right. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do about the likes. All right, since you guys are shy about hitting the like button, I'm gonna do the breakdown normally as I would, but I'm not gonna tell you guys when I'm entering a trade. I'm just gonna do the breakdown and we're gonna watch it. We're gonna chat and answer questions. We're gonna talk, and if I'm in the trade or I'm not in the trade, I ain't gonna say it. How about that? If the likes match up with the viewers, I'll tell you guys. If it's close to it, I'll tell you guys. If it ain't, don't ask. Charlene, are you in this trade? Don't ask me, because y'all not trying to hit the like button, which is, it don't take much to do that. You know what I'm saying? It takes a second to hit the like. So if we get up, if the views go up, I'm gonna announce it every couple minutes. Make sure the likes match up, and if they match, then we're good. If they don't, that's fine. Those of you that are getting the knowledge and the information that I'm giving every day, you'll know when to enter and when to get out. If not, you're on your own. And you can blame everybody else on the chat that's afraid to hit the like button. Okay. Bow. So, gold is still bullish. Gold is still bullish. Okay. High, low, high, low. Not much of a high, but a high nonetheless. Still bullish. Now this structure right here is what's kind of giving me a little bit of pause, right? Because we should have moved out of here. Kind of looks like a little mini range, right? For 1, 2, 3, 4 days, we're kind of chilling right here. This is today's candle. Look at yesterday. Look at yesterday, look at the day before, look at the day before. Look at this day candle. This was this Friday. This was a Monday, Friday, right? You have all this like baby candle stuff happening here, and then the big move. So after every kind of nonsense move, you got a big move, right? Little range, big move. Not much of a little range, but it's something. Either way, we're bullish. We're still bullish as long as we can maintain this area here. We should continue bullish. Okay, we should continue up here. So price is at a low right now. It's at a low, which is not bad. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. So we got 4 hour high right here, which I would love to see price break above that area. If we can get a nice strong break above that area, that would be excellent for the buy. So here I see we have, you know, cute little uptrend here, right? Sexy little uptrend right there. Let's go down to the 5 minute and let's see what we got here. So on the 5 minute, looks pretty clean, right? We were holding, let's see, we're holding this button, this area. Sorry guys. We pushed up with this bullish push. We never really pulled back, but that's okay. We never pulled back. That's okay. See that area there. Some of the viewers are your haters, so naturally, yeah, but it shouldn't be that many on there. You know, should be a lot more. Should be a lot more supporters than the haters on there. You know, it doesn't have to match up exactly. It just has to be close to it. Right now, there's 400 people watching. There's 200 likes, so it's not enough. That's literally half. You know. So let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. Let's see. All right, so look where price is, guys, on the 1 hour. Look where price is sitting, right? We have multiple rejections up in this area here. So I know this is a nice little liquidity area here because price has tapped into this area and rejected every time. However, every time an hour these are all hour candles. So on the hour closes, the next candle always went straight down. Hour close, straight down. Hour close, straight down. We have an hour close here, and the next one did not go down. The next one is literally chilling above that area, right? That's telling, okay? If we can hold above this area where price hasn't been able to hold in the last few hours, then that's a strong confirmation that we're gonna potentially have the volume we need to continue bullish, especially since we have this beautiful break here. We have multiple retests, and we just need that break to hold above that area. Okay, this setup here that you would look for an entry on the lower time frames is happening on the higher. So it's playing out extra nice right now. So we just needed to break above that area. Hold on 1 second. I need to change the color of my lines real quick. This is going to confuse me. Let's make that blue. Let's make this blue as well. All right. So this area here is where price is failing, right? These are wicks, right? These are wicks on the hour time frame, wick. So price is just sitting in this zone here. The thing is, though, can price come back down to this area here, which is a solid 280 pips away? That's a lot. That's a lot. 280 or 200 or 28? What the hell? I'm tripping this morning. 26 pips away. My bad. 26. I haven't woken up yet. Okay. So so as you guys can see here, this area was hard to break. We finally broke it, right? Now we're forming support. What I want to see is support to maintain here and for price to push. That's what I want to see here. So as we drop down to the 5 minute to look for our entries, we just want price to stay above here. Now, if price comes down here, it's still valid. It's still valid because this was a strong area too. But the fact that price has retested this area and we're testing and we're still holding, we're still technically good for the buys, even in this area. I really wouldn't be looking for sells until price was to break below that area there. Okay. So right now I'm bullish on gold. 21.60 pips. Let's go. Let's get those likes up, guys. If the likes don't match the viewers, I ain't gonna tell y'all when I enter a trade. I'm just gonna enter it. When I hit profit, that's when I hit profit. That's what it's gonna be. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to analyze AU next. Alright, so next we're gonna look at AU. Let's go up in daily. What currency do you use to deposit into Hanko? Bitcoin. I look real good today. I look real good today. Why is my phone acting up today? All right, so on AU, we have sorry guys, returning text messages. All right. Damn, I forgot to call that girl back yesterday. Okay. So kind of the same situation on AU, right? AU trending. We haven't broken this area. We really need to if we're gonna continue up. Looks like we need a strong candle to break. We need a strong candle to break that area because it's struggling. It's struggling hard. Let me make this like, we retested the same low from yesterday's low. So hold on, let's put this here. And let's put this here. I don't know, I get these songs stuck in my head, I don't know. I don't know. That's funny. Okay. So we have this bullish push here, right? Look at this, guys. Look at how 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candles. We're struggling in this box right here. See these candles right here? They were all struggling. This one broke 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 engulfings. Almost 5 candles on this engulfing. And we see that we tried to come down, but we couldn't. You know, we have this nice daily demand sitting down here. Right, and then we have what nice structure forming out of that area, which is telling us that we know we should be going up. So we retested it on this low here. We have this nice bullish push, and what is this? A retest, just a retest, 2 rejections to the downside. Now all we need is a volume to push price. It is also Thursday, right? So because it's Thursday, end of the week, can we get some volume to, you know, close the week out strong? We can, but that's pretty much what we need. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing here. Everything is really indicating the buy, but we need to break this area here. It'd be nice if we can get a nice closure above that area to give us that extra confirmation. Okay. If we go to the 4-hour and we see price doing something like this, right? We haven't broken this daily low, so maybe price can come down, maybe in this, around this high area, respect that area, and then go ahead and push bullish, something like this here. Okay, if we go down to the 5-minute entry time frame, now the 5-minute looks a little, you know, it's going down, right? It looks bearish. Let me just go back to the 1-hour real quick. So yeah, it looks super bearish. So this will continue down. I feel like it will continue down. There's a lot of wiggle room for it to continue down here. 11 pips, yeah, it should continue down, and we want to see what price does in this area here, or even if it comes down some more up in this area here. Wow. keep on tapping that zone. So I'd like for price to stay above that area. So because I'm bullish, I'm not looking really for the sell here. I don't, you know, when the market is pushing strong in one direction, you don't really want to, you know, look for the opposite trade, because you're giving yourself less of a probability to win the trade, you know. So let's see. So we're gonna wait on AU to finish playing out here, come down and test this area. Now, if you want to take these sells, obviously you guys are more than welcome, depending on your trading styles and what you guys look for. That's up to you guys. Okay. Now, for me, I prefer to wait for price to test this area to tell me what the market wants to do, essentially. Okay. GU, good old GU. Oh, what's gold doing? Okay. Why was the, let me see, bold? This is black, right? Yes. Yes, that's black. Bold. I don't know why it's looking. Oh, maybe the gray is doing that. I don't know. So we're still waiting to see what gold is going to do in this area here. Or GU. Okay. I look real good today. All right. So GU, kind of the same situation as yesterday, right? Look at GU, guys. We're still sitting above this area. If we can hold above that area, guess what? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Looking for buys. Okay. Oh, I'm tripping. I am tripping. Charlene, what are you doing? Okay. Daily high. Daily low. Okay. Yes. So 1 hour. Well, let me glance at the 4 hour real quick. Oh. Got you. Okay. High, low, high. Price is coming down to create a low. Let's see if we can maintain this area here, right? Maintain the higher lows. Oh, I was about to say, why is my trend line blue? Whatever, I'll leave it blue. Let's see if price can maintain the higher lows, guys, for price to continue up bullish. Okay. Now we have news is it at 8:30? Yeah, unemployment at 8:30. I don't see it being crazy news. I think it's just going to be a couple. It might not do anything, or it could just play around, whatever. So, that's what I'm looking at. So, buys above this area. Let's go 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, look where price rejected from on the 5, right? Resistance, support. Okay. Could we I'd like to see us tap down here, but are we going to tap down there? That remains to be seen. You know what I mean? We're pushing up here. It looks like we have a little bit of a rejection. Let me see the hour candle, because this hour candle is about to close. Look how it tapped that area nicely there. It tapped that area real nice, and then it rejected and pushed up. So could we continue up from there? I don't know. On the 4 hour, we have some time left on the 4 hour though. Hour and 10 minutes in the 4 hour. A lot can happen in that time. So I don't know. 7:45. Yeah, I mean, if we can get a closure above this area on the hour, that's going to be pretty good. We can hold this area here. Could pull back because we still have a lot of time, but it's looking like it wants to push here. A lot of space to continue up. So yeah, little waiting game on GU. Now US30. Remember how US30 stumped me yesterday, guys? Still stumping me. Now I said I'm not gonna redo a markup. It's pretty much the same situation. Below this zone looking for sells, above this zone looking for buys. You know, I think in the beginning of the week I said I was seeing buys on US30. That's looking like what's playing out right now, but it could easily push up here and turn around and do a bunch of nonsense again. So I don't really have much for US30. I would say look for price to see what price does in this zone here. If price respects this zone, look for your bullish confirmations to take your entries. If not, you just be careful. Just be careful because you know, US30 hasn't. It's just not as clean this week. It's not a very clean setup. So I'm not trading it at all because I don't have any clear direction on it. But I think above this area you can look for the buy continuations, and then if price breaks back below, then you obviously look for the sells. So, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not touching US30. AU, come on down AU, and then on gold we're sitting okay. We came good. We came back into this zone. Let's see if we tapped it nicely. This candle is pushing up above that area. Let's see if we can continue pushing up out of this area here. I wanted to see this area hold for the buys, and it's holding, so that's good. It's 7:51. Where would the hourly closure be? Yeah, we just need to close above here. We just need to close nice, maybe a strong little bullish. Give me a nice bullish body close above here, and we're good. And we should have the volume to take us up. And then maybe with news, it continues. I don't know. So we'll see. Okay. Substituted US30 for NAS 100. It's been really better in terms of setup playing out and getting confirmations always. Market conditions are always changing, guys. So sometimes it might seem like, you know, one pair is moving better than another, this and that. But I have seen times on US30 where it's clean. It's the setups are there. You know, it's not impossible to see the setups. So I've seen it. So I don't trade NAS, so I don't know much about that pair, but what I can tell you is that, you know, and during this time you see bullshit, and there are times where you see, you know, clean moves. It just depends on where you are in the market, conditions wise. You know, sometimes you're gonna get those moves, sometimes you aren't. You know. Pips. I feel like taking buys on GU simply because I think we're going to continue up here, and this is where price is now. It's only a 10 pip stop. That's not bad at all. It's not bad. The only thing is the 4-hour candle is bearish. 1 hour is bearish, but it's tapping off that area. Now it didn't form a support yet, but the fact that we rejected it and we're lingering above this area here, I just feel like maybe price could come down and kind of linger here for a little, and then, you know what I'm saying, turn around and go up. But or could we come down here and tap this area again? That's also a possibility too. So guess what? I'm gonna wait. Waiting has never steered me in the wrong direction, so I'm gonna be patient today with GU, even though the setup looks super sexy right now on the 15-minute This shit looks clean right now, but it might just tap this area and then come down and play some more. If it breaks, oh, yep, she's pushing. Look at that long, because look at what this candle did. Same thing, came down, wicked, and then closed above and then continued pumping up here. Could this one do the exact same thing? It's just that this area here is big ass no man's land down here. 10 pip stops. Let me see how far it is from there. 20 pip stop. What's the TP? Gotta be. That's a 1-to-1 right there. That's a 1-to-1. Even on the 1 hour, that's a 1-to-1. 15-minute looks clean as hell, actually. I don't know. Let's wait. I'll wait. I don't know about you guys. I will wait. I want to wait. Looks clean, but let's see if price breaks here, if it comes down and plays around, or if it continues up. Gold, please. Any buy? I'm in buys. GU. I don't know. Why are you in buys if you don't know? You should know. You should know. Don't say you don't know. You gotta know what you're doing. Oh, let me text him. Is he even awake? Text me when you wake up. Wake up. But can we take a moment to acknowledge how hard that rope is? It is hard, isn't it? I don't know, guys. I think red is my color. I really do. I think red is definitely my, not on the charts. I don't like red on the charts because that means you're losing. Blue is my color on the charts. But in life, I think I got a thing for the color red. I got a thing for that color red. GU, what you doing? Are you taking off without me? What you doing? Yep, she's taking off. That rejection wick is something different, baby. Oof. We only have 2 minutes left. Are you gonna shoot up in 2 minutes? I would be shocked. I would be shocked. Ah, GU. Analyze this for wow. She is gone. I've seen it in black, but that red hits different. Yeah, I like the black one too. Yeah, but I only have the red and the pink one. I'm not gonna get any more. I don't even wear a robe like that, honestly. I just wear it because I think I feel like $1 million when I'm in it. You know, when you feel good, you do good, you know. That's the only reason why. So, but I like red. And I think the pink one is super girly, super cute. And it has a hood on it, so I like it. I like it. I like it like that. Let's pull this down a little. Why are the letters so big here? Did I make them that big? I don't understand. I didn't make them that big, so I don't know why they're appearing like that. Oh. Oops. Oopsie daisy. It look real good today. Oh, we're coming down. I'm not holding. Gee, you animal, you tricking people like that. Unless we start creating support here, that would be nice. If we push up, close above, and we start creating support, and we get a bullish break. Now we have a nice setup for a long position here. Something like this. That would be the setup there, which is it's touching right. It's moving there. Gold is breaking this area. Okay, we're not holding. Well, it's still valid. We still have to wait and see, because it could tap here, it could wake out, it could do all that shit. So we have to wait. What's that area I wanted to see? The 1 hour. Hold on, 1 hour. Yeah, see, we're still in that range, and we didn't hold above this area, unless this 1 hour candle that just opened is making a bottom wick and then it flips bullish and continues up. But if not, this area is still valid here to tap into to continue up. So we broke. I wish we would have held on this candle here. Maybe we could still hold to continue up, but even if we go up, I don't feel comfortable, because look at all these wicks up here. We need some volume. I don't want to say news, but we could use some volume to push price. We really could. So let me extend this a little longer here. Okay. So yeah, this is okay. So we have a low, high, low, not much of a new high, but price has already pushed up out of here. It's just that these candle closures are not that strong. Look how weak this is, you know. Now, if this candle was to shoot up, I would be surprised, because it's struggling. Now, if it does do that, it's probably because there's volume coming in at market, obviously at 8:30. The news is at 8:30. Where's the... It's at 8:30 at market open. So, you know, we already have volume at that time. We also have market open, volume, and the news. So, you know, maybe that combination will give us the volume we need to push up, so we can get out of this area here and finally push. That's what I'm seeing right now. So I'm going to keep my eye on the hourly, because the smaller time frames are cool and all, but I want to keep my eye on the hourly, because if I see strong hour pushes, especially since this candle just opened 2 minutes ago, I want to see it pushing. And if it starts lingering, if the candle starts lingering in this area, then you know you have, okay, it's trying to hold. It's trying to hold to continue. But if you see it like it's doing now, like it's struggling, you know, it's playing around, it's doing this, and it's like, you don't want to enter on that. You really just want to wait. You don't want to enter on that, you know. So, where's my... Wake up, buddy. I need you to respond to this text message. Get up. You look real good today. Let's look at GU. What's GU doing? So let me look at it on the 1 hour real quick. So we have a closure above this area on the 1 hour. Do I want to take buys on GU? Are we gonna... this is a big ass area down here though, man. This thing could still come back down, but this hour closure here, because this hour closure left this long rejection, it tapped that area, same spot. Are we ready to push, or could we be waiting on news too? We could be waiting on news also before we get that push. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. I really want to get a quick trade today and get out, because I have a lot to do today. What's that you doing? Are we gonna come down AU? So AU, we have to wait on this, what you call this, to finish it. How many pips is this? 18 pips. Let me see. On the 4 hour. Yeah, we'll leave that on the back burner. Oh yeah, look at that strong bullish close. Yeah, this is gonna push. This is pushing here. Pip stop. The fuck? I don't know which one I want to watch, GU or gold. They're both moving here. Bigfoot just woke up. Yeah, that's what it sounds like right now. It's crazy, and you guys can hear that too, man. That's crazy. People, man. 700 viewers, 368 likes. Not there yet, guys. We're not close enough. We're not close enough. Is anybody in GU buys right now? I'm just curious. I'm just curious. Is anybody in GU buys? Waiting GU fly. Neighbor fell out of bed. Yeah, man. Neighbors and their freaking kids. It's crazy. I'm definitely thinking about jumping in gold when the 5-minute candle closes. Missing yesterday's song that was calming. Well, what did we play yesterday? I keep getting copyrighted, guys. I don't know why. I have no idea why. Like, it makes no sense. All the songs that I have them there. Like, I know what's copyrighted and what's not, but it keeps on saying other bullshit. I don't even know what that means. Finally, my withdrawal hit this morning. I was getting nervous there. That's the longest it's ever taken. I don't know. Coinbase be freaking me out sometimes, man. I might use another one because Coinbase, let me tell you, holding my withdrawals. What's wrong with y'all? I'm in GU. Okay, cool. I love it. I love that you guys don't need me to tell you guys how, to enter trades. You guys know to get in on them yourselves. I love it. We did that. Look at that. Knife breakdown. What did I say? I wanted to see support form. 5-minute closure. Boom. Price push. You guys are in it. I love it. Y'all should be in profit right now. Gold. Oh, look at what gold did. Yes. Give it to me. You know how I like it. Just like that, daddy. Let's go. Give it to me. I look real good today. Now what I want to see is this thing just fly. I just want to see it just rip up in the sky and just take off. Same thing with GU. I want to see this thing just take off, honey. Now the issue that I have here is that it's an hour. We're 10 minutes into this candle. the hour push. I want price to maintain. I don't want it to come up here and then start playing around again down here. You know, I want it to just rip, and hopefully with the volume, news, it can just take off. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want to see. Let's see how it's rejecting. Reject. Now, this was early in New York session. This was earlier New York session. And then the previous rejection was at London Open. So London Open created highs here, 5-minute highs. Let me mark it off for you guys here, right? And then those highs were broken in pre-New York, right here. So what we want to see is price maintain this area here for it to continue up, to break above and continue bullish. And being with how volatile and strong gold is, that's very possible. It's very possible for price to push, especially with this strong push out of this zone here. Could we pull back and retest a little? Yeah, but I don't care to see that. I just want it to take off. GU, kind of the same situation. I don't really care to see it pull back. I want to just see it take off. Just take off. 7 pips. AU, oh, AU didn't come down. AU didn't come down. Could we be retesting this push now is the question. Could we be retesting this? Okay. I didn't trust the sells. Not that I didn't trust them, but I didn't want to take sells because the market is bullish. Now, if AU stops here and takes off, that's shit. Because it broke here. It's supposed to continue down, but if it doesn't, what are you gonna do? So I don't know. AU, I don't know. I really would like to see it come down a little more. If it starts pushing up from here, I mean, it is what it is, but I'd like to see it come down some more. I don't think I'm gonna trade AU today anyway. So come on, GU, keep going. Keep on going. Keep pumping up here. Yeah, like the songs I have, guys, I research them, you know, and I only look at the ones that are copyrighted free. I don't understand, like, I don't understand. It makes no sense to me. And all these songs, I look at them, and if they say copyright free, that's the only time I even put them on this playlist. If they're not, I don't put them on. And YouTube is on some other shit. YouTube is always giving me shit about something, man. YouTube is like a nagging wife. It's ridiculous. Like, shut up already. I don't remember the song I played yesterday. I think we played like 2 or 3 songs yesterday. I don't really remember. Oops, that's the same one. $428 likes. Come on, guys. have another YouTube video, guys, dropping for you guys on Friday, tomorrow. Should be interesting, so hopefully you guys check that out. It's gonna be interesting. I'm at 33,000 subs now. I would really like to hit like maybe double that by the end of the year. That's my goal, is to hit at least 60,000 subs by the end of 2023. That would be amazing. Can't wait to hit them numbers. So, what do I think of EU? I don't think anything of it because I don't trade it. Here we go, guys. We always have people coming in the chat talking about pairs we don't trade. Always something. Like, come on. It's like being at a fashion show and you have all these models walking down the runway and everybody's clapping and looking and enjoying themselves. And then you have somebody pop out of nowhere that starts talking about elephants. Hey guys, what do you think of these elephant families over here? And it's a whole fashion show going on. We ain't talking about elephants. We're talking about the fashion show. We're not talking about EU. We're talking about the pairs that we're trading. Come on. Just keep the conversation and stuff, guys, about what we're looking at right now, what we're trading. If it ain't gold or GU or AU or US30, we don't care. We don't care. When you say stuff like EU is doing its thing right now, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to stop looking at these pairs and go over to EU and verify what you're saying and take a trade on it? Why? Even if you're proud of yourself and you're up 100 pips on a trade, awesome. But you don't need a pat on the back from a bunch of people that that really don't care. Sorry to say. We don't care. Tell me you're up 100 pips on gold. Tell me you're up 100 pips on GU. Tell me you're up 100 pips on AU or US30. Tell me that. I don't give a shit about you being up 100 pips on EU because we're not looking at EU. If you tell me you're up 100 pips on gold, let me get your entry. Let me see, what was your analysis to get in? Let's share that knowledge with everybody else in the chat so that they can learn too, because that's what we're looking at. Do you think AU is going lower? I do. I want it to come down here. Like I said, it was sitting here for a little bit, but it needs to come down. It needs to tap this area, guys, for us to, maintain, right? Like I said, if you guys want to take sells, you can. I just don't trust the sells because the market is bullish. So I would prefer to let the sells finish and then look for my buy continuation, right? But this is a good sell here. This is a good sell. We have a nice little supply zone up here. Price pushed out of it. I wouldn't wait on a retest because there's not much to wait on retest wise. But, this is a nice little sell here to come down to this area here. Not saying you can take a sell. I just prefer to look for the buys. That's all. Okay. Somebody said look at gold. Let's look at gold. So yeah, I just want to see gold hold this area and then continue up here. That's it. So gold ain't really doing much right now. Gold is just chilling. Because I wanted to look at it on the 1 hour to make sure we hold these 1 hour highs. Like I said, if price is playing around, as long as it's bullish. If it's going bullish, closing bullish, that's what we want to see. I want to see it's 8:20, about to be 8:20, 8:30. I want to see a 30-minute closure above this area. The stronger the closures you see, the strong, body closures you see above certain zones, above certain prices, gives you more confirmation for the continuation. That's what I want to see. So that's why I was watching it on the higher time frame on the 1 hour, because if we get a 1 hour closure here, it's over. It's over. It's over, because that would mean that this 1 hour candle did what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles couldn't do. And that's insane. It really is. Beautiful. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing for me. Keep pushing for mommy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. Now there's some volume coming in here. I'm guessing it's because we got some news dropping in 10 minutes, but that's okay. I just want to see this thing rip up here. Oh, yes. Come on. Just push, 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 push. This is a 62 pip range. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What if that was a new person that didn't know you don't trade EU? Well, it's pretty obvious. It's pretty obvious. Look at the pairs up here. If I traded it, we would have it up here. You would see it here, but you don't. So, I knew that GU buy was a camouflage. Camouflage, what does that mean? I don't know what that means. Camouflage, I don't know what that means. Please clarify. What about the price of rice in China? Guys are funny. I'm a little salty I didn't take this GU buy. I'm a little salty because it's moving quite nicely right now. The funny thing is, I've seen this setup before. I don't know if I've seen it on G. I've probably seen it on gold or AU before. But I'm a little salty because I kind of sort of wish I would have took these buys. It's already at 11 pips profit. Not bad. What time frame did you trade off of when you first started trading? All of them. All of them. There's no one time frame that means more than any other one, guys. All of them matter. All of them matter. What's your TP on gold, Charlene? My TP is 10 to 15, 20 pips, something like that. Like I said, I am busy. I have a lot to do today, so I'm not gonna be on these charts too long. We might not even be on here past 9:30 because I have an appointment at 1 o'clock, and I have to get ready for that. So, yes. So I'm not gonna be. So yeah, TP. Overall TP is up here, 1975, but I'm not holding to that. So whoever took gold should be in profit. Whoever took GU should be in nice profit. AU sells. I'm waiting. I'm not trading AU today. I'm already in gold. I'm not trading AU. But for AU, you need. It's best to wait on the sells to play out and then look for the continuations of the buys down here in this area. Plus, it's a better risk to reward. And on US30, I ain't got nothing on US30 except a buy bias above this area. Okay. Oh wow, man, I should have took GU. God darn it. Sheesh. Should have took AU, GU. That's okay. I'm in profit on gold, so we're good. I just need about 8 more pips on gold and I should be good to go. The crappy part is here. We've got news in T-minus 5 minutes. So do I want to take profit here and just close out where I'm at, or do I want to hold through news? Now, if I hold through news, I will be breaking my rules. The only thing is I am in profit. So even if, I mean, it'd be nice if it spiked, if it just push, and I would just close out and be done. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I got 4 minutes to make my decision. 4,000 on GU. Thanks, Charlene. I would buy you dinner if I was nearby. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm just waiting to see if we get a 30-minute closure in this area here, which would be great. That's going to be very good news. Because if this candle, guys, look at this, right? Couldn't close, sat below, couldn't close. If this one can close, it will have done what these other candles could not do. Which means what? More than likely, price is going to maintain above that area, and it should continue up. It should. Is it going to? We don't know, but it should continue up. So oh, yes, yes. Love it. Love it. Love it. Close. I decided to get out before news, guys. I'm not holding through news. Freak! Alright, I'm done. I'm done. Oh my god! Come on! Damn! Oh! Come on! You gotta be kidding me right now! Come on, man! Right before I closed, Jesus Christ! Why me? Why? Oh my god! All right. Chill out, Charlene. Oh my god. All right, man. Oh my god. Damn. Let me tell you guys. I'm so done with trading. I'm so done with trading, guys. Yo. I'm so done with trading. I closed out at 4K. This could have been a 10K banger right here. Okay. Okay, cool. I just gotta be cool with it. I gotta be cool. I lack patience. I don't lack no damn patience. I'm just trying to get out before news. I don't trade news. Freak! Oh my god. Alright, yo. If you guys caught these moves, listen. Y'all better be happy. If you guys don't hit that like button, I'm done. If we don't hit... Okay, 830 people on here. If we don't hit 800 likes, I'm not going live tomorrow. Because this is nonsense, man. Bruh. Look at that rip. Look at that rip. Literally, you guys heard me close, and then what happened? Bam, 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 bam. Oh my god. God. Oh Lord, why? Oh lordy. You know what it is, guys? It's not that I'm being greedy or I'm upset that I didn't catch the move. You know what it is? We work so hard on these charts. We work so hard to get up every day, sit here waiting on our setups, you know, being patient, right? Putting our money at risk, putting our mental health at risk, right? We do all that, and you want to be rewarded for it. You know, you want to get paid for your hard work. You know, you don't want to just you don't want to make peanuts and pennies. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I would have held a little longer. I would have held, because the thing is, I closed at 824. It's 829. Because I've seen news hit. I've never seen it hit 10 minutes prior. I've seen news hit 5 minutes prior. Like, it'll say news will come out at 8:30, and at 8:25, 8:26, you'll see the market start jumping a little. So it's like, you know, I want to be careful with that, you know. And last time I traded news, which was with you guys, I got smacked. Oh my god, is that news? Yes, that's news. So it's still pumping up here. Are we gonna hit TP? I just want to see if we hit TP. So, you know what I'm saying? You just want to be rewarded for your hard work. You know, I'm tired as hell. Went to bed late again last night. Got up for you guys. We come on here, we do this breakdown, we do this analysis, we sit here, we wait, we talk shit, and I want to get paid for my hard work, you know. And yeah, I made good money today, cool. But man, that would have been a nice trade. That would have been an excellent trade for the week, man. That would have been nice. But if you won, in the chat, guys, if you won, drop some fire, drop some happy faces, drop something. Please let me know if you made money today. Be it on gold or GU. Wow, GU smacked TP nicely. GU smacked. AU is look at that, nonsense. I don't even need to look at US30. It's not doing anything. Who won? I want to know who won. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Love it. Gold. Did we hit TP, guys? Yes. Let's go. Beautiful. Let's go, guys. Come on. That's okay, guys. You guys know I'm emotional. You guys can see me in my element a little bit, right? I'm not gonna hide it from you guys. I'm a little crazy at times. It's okay. You guys know how I am. It's okay. I look real good today. Did anybody take both? Did anybody take gold and GU? I'm just curious. I love the raw emotion, and we can't lose the lives. Hit the like. Come on, guys. Hit the like button, please. Come on. It's not hard. Just hit the like for me, please. So that's it for me today, guys. I'm not taking any more trades. GU is going to just be disrespectful and just keep on pumping on me here. GU is trying to show me, hey, Charlene, you should have took me today. Should have traded me. I gave you the perfect setup, and you didn't take it. So guess what? Teach you a lesson. Teach you a lesson. That's okay. This is a great Thursday. This was a great Thursday. Wow. Let's go. Make sure you guys, those of you that are in the competition from my broker, continue doing what you're doing. You guys are doing great. All right. Make sure you sign up with the link in the description box. To get in on that, you have to sign up with that link in order for you to be entered in. My course information, guys, is also in the description. Everything is in the description box, guys. So if you want to learn how I take setups like this, how I control my psychology, wink wink, and you want to see how I break down the charts and all this kind of stuff, I put it all out there for you guys. All right, but this is cool, this is fun. I like teaching you guys. I like seeing you guys win. I love it. We have our good days, we have our bad days, but for the most part, we always win. We always win, right? Even when we lose, we always win, right? So I don't even know if that makes any kind of sense what I just said, but I feel like you're always a winner. In your mind, you're always a winner. What's up with gold? Because I wanted to, maybe we're retesting. Okay, so maybe we're retesting, which is okay, but we did hit TP. 1975 was tapped exactly, and then it rejected. So hopefully this is just a retest for a price to flip and then continue flying here, because GU is not being shy about it. Wow, look at that push. Damn, how many pips is this now? Only 28. It's still something though. And look at that, we've broken the daily high. This black line, guys, is my daily high, previous daily high from yesterday, and we have broken that area. Now we're approaching this reaction area up here. We're approaching this big ass supply up here. So, you know, I think it's going to continue pushing here, and I feel like GU's going to do this. It's going to push. We're going to come back to retest it, and we're probably going to continue up for tomorrow to finish off the week. Okay, that's what I'm seeing right about now. Okay, so GU showed us today, guys, that you're not always going to get the most perfect entry. Sometimes, you know what I'm saying, like there's a lot of space here. This is not much of a support. Honestly, it really isn't. All right, this one wick rejection, yes, it's a wick rejection, but it's not much, right? That's why I wasn't too sure about taking buys above this area, even though the stop loss wasn't bad. The stop loss was only 12 pips from entry. But this area down here is what got me, because price could have easily come down and tapped into this area before it pushed up. I've seen that happen before. So sometimes you're going to get it, sometimes you're not. Either way, you know, gold gave us the setup, so we were able to catch that. Okay, so you want to trade 1 to 2 pairs a day. Have a main pair, a backup pair. You guys see I always start with gold. Gold is my baby. That's what I mostly trade. I'm always going to start with that one. I'm always going to look for setups on that pair. And gold is, you know, a 5-minute, 10-minute candle can give you massive pushes, you know, massive pips, I mean. So yeah, and then GU as well. So excellent session, guys. Excellent session. This is awesome. Let me go through the chat real quick, because I need to log off here in a little while, because I have an appointment to get ready for. So it's a good thing we got a nice win early. Up 10K on my Forex funds. What's up? That's what I love to hear. That's what I want to hear. Hold on. What's going on here? Live session. Okay. Let's close above another leg. GU buys were so easy. Yeah, I guess. Up 10K. I love the raw emotion, and we can't lose the lives. Hit the like. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. 682 likes, 700 people. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Looks like GU is gonna keep pumping up here. Okay. I would have been mad too a little bit. Yeah, I'm telling you, it hurts. It stings a little. You know, it stings just a little. A win is a win. Always be happy with your win, but trust me, it stings just a little bit when it's like, man, you know, I was already in this move. You know, what the hell, you know? So, charges to the game. Yeah, that's all you can do. Yeah. I was in gold. I'm holding gold. Just exited. I got gold. If you're holding gold, guys, you guys, you know, I don't know. You gave a lot of money back here. So be careful with that. Now, GU is Gucci. If you are in GU, you are Gucci right now, because GU ain't stopping at this point. GU is a runaway train at this point. I don't even know where the CP is going. This is insane right now. Oh my God. This is insane. Let me see. Let me mark this off real quick. Oh man. So yeah, GU might come to around this area here. So let's see if we can hit that TP. I'm not even mad I didn't take GU because I still won on gold. So you know, you always got to be content. Don't be mad or greedy or nothing like that. But I ain't gonna lie, I love the way GU moved. Now GU is up 38 pips after that move, but gold pushed up 60. So even though GU is pumping away and still going, gold pushed up more, even in its one move, pushed up more than GU. So you see why I like gold more than other pairs? Like you just make more money on it. You make more money, you got bigger moves, you know? So let's watch GU now. GU is more exciting right now. Let's keep our eye on GU right now. It's 30-minute. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But yes, I'm very happy for you guys. We've been pretty much winning all week. Pretty much winning all week, guys. You can't shake your head at that. We've been winning all week. So it's not bad. Not bad at all. I think Tuesday was the only day. Yeah, Tuesday was a crappy day. Monday we won, Tuesday, Wednesday was a good day yesterday, and then today was a monster day. Today was monster. Today was a monster day. So I think this live stream is one y'all definitely gotta rewatch. Definitely. I'm gonna leave it up on my channel. Definitely rewatch it so you guys could get some gems out. Take notes. Take notes. Take notes. Take notes. And if you listen closely, you'll know exactly where I entered and why I entered where I entered at. And I was in a little bit of drawdown when I entered. I didn't get a clean push. When I entered, I was in drawdown a little bit before it pushed. So analyze the video and try to get a really good understanding of why I entered where I entered. 700 people watching, 713 likes. Yes, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. I can get jiggy with this shit. I can get jiggy with it. Love it. Don't do that to me. Don't listen, man. Just don't listen. You the GOAT, Charlene. Thank you. I don't think I'm the GOAT, but appreciate it. You are pure gold. Came across your channel on Tuesday, my second live. I'm learning so much. Is this an everyday thing with the lives? Thank you for blessing us with your knowledge and your energy. Shalom. Thank you. Appreciate it. Just turn on your notifications, guys, because you know, for the foreseeable next week or two, I'll be doing live sessions on here. But you guys know I gotta take my breaks every once in a while, you know, to kind of get a mental refresh my mental a little. So we'll see. I always tell you guys when I'm gonna take a break, so you guys don't gotta, you know, anticipate it and be disappointed. Thank you. We love you so much for helping people pay bills while building confidence. Jonathan Brinson, you're so welcome. What do I want you guys all to do right after you're done trading today? What do I want you guys to do? Can you guys tell me what it is? What am I going to do after I end this live? What do I want you all to do? Everybody that won, what do I want y'all to do? What do I want you guys to do? I'm waiting. What have I been doing every day all week? All last week after trading? Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Withdraw. Cash out, baby. Yes. Withdraw. Yes. Withdraw, withdraw, withdraw. Thank you. Cash out, cash out. Yes. Well, if you're in journal, yeah, but withdraw, withdraw. Today was a good day, so withdraw. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Withdraw. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So how many of you are going to actually withdraw is my question. How many are you going to withdraw? Just drop a me, a yes, hands up, drop an emoji, something. How many of you are actually going to withdraw? That's what I want to know. Who's going to withdraw? Oh. I had to mute. I don't want to get copyrighted again. I know I will anyway, but whatever. I'm going to withdraw and put it in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, tag me. Whatever you put on Instagram, tag me. I want everybody to see you all winning. Tag me, tag me, tag me so I can repost. Everybody getting reposted. I'm withdrawing like I ain't had liquor in 2 weeks. Secure the bag. Yes, yes, yes. Run to the bank. Yes, run to the bank. Yes, yes. About to withdraw 2K. Let's go. Let's go. And guys, it's end of the month. What's coming up at the end of the month, right? We got rent due, we got mortgages due, we got car notes due, light, water, phone bills. What's at the end of the month? The bills. Some of you made your whole month's bills today. Some of y'all. If not, you made good money today. Take it out. Enjoy yourself. The weekend is coming, you know? Take your kids out or buy yourself something nice. You know, take your wife out, take your husband out, you know? Pay for lunch take a friend out, pay for lunch for them for the day. You know what I'm saying? Like, enjoy yourself, you know? Pull that money out, feel it, touch it. Wake up tomorrow morning like I did today with an extra $5,000 in your account that came out of thin air. You know what I mean? My withdrawal hit this morning, finally. Took a while, Coinbase, because HANKOTRADE had released it. They processed the withdrawal, but it wasn't processing through Coinbase. I'm like, what the hell? I kept checking. It wasn't coming through. And finally this morning I woke up and I saw that it finally hit. So, you know, that's a little disappointing or whatever. But still, it's still money that I made from trading. You know, what's that money gonna do now? It's just gonna sit in my account looking pretty. You know, even if you don't have plans for your money, guys, take it out anyway. Who cares? Take it out anyway. Just feel like you're pulling something from the market. You're giving so much to the market. Take something back. Don't just give so much of yourself and not get anything back. Don't like lose yourself and not have anything to show for all your hard work. Even if you're not consistent yet, even if you're still struggling to find some level of consistency, you still want to feel like you're accomplishing something. You're hitting some kind of goal, some kind of milestone. You know what I mean? Get something out of it. The only way to get it is to withdraw. That's the only thing we can take out of the markets. You can have all the knowledge you want. If the knowledge isn't yielding you profits, it's worthless. It's worthless. You gotta have something to show for it. Some level of accomplishment. Leave Coinbase. Yeah, I have a history with them. You know, I've used them for years. My limits are very high with them. I thought about it, but if I leave them now, like, I would have to go build up a history with another processor, and then that could take time. It could, you know, I'd rather just stay where I'm at until they really do some shit to really piss me off. I'm okay with it right now. So you can edit out the copyright music in YouTube Studio once you end the stream. David, if you could DM me or email me or something, and let's talk about it, because you sound like you know how to do that. I have YouTubed how to do that, and for some freaking reason, nobody is clear about how to do that. I see, like, I'll watch other videos that have copyrighted stuff, and I'll see it in the description box, but I'm trying to figure out how to really do it. And I'm not really tech savvy with that kind of stuff. So if you can message me on Instagram, tell me that you're the one that messaged about the YouTube Studio thing, or email me, and we can talk about it. I would really appreciate that, because this copyright stuff is just getting on my last freaking nerve. It really is. Would you withdraw if your account is not at break even? No. You wanna, if you're in profit, then you withdraw. If you're not in profit, or even at break even, I mean, only withdraw your profits, guys. Only profits, okay? It really defeats the purpose if you're taking away and if you're losing, or you're at break even and you're pulling money out. Now you're taking, you know, ability away from you to actually build on that and to really make money, you know? So you don't want to. No, if I take a loss on my account is at break even, I can't withdraw. What is there to withdraw? You didn't make anything. So, you know. Now, if you just want to get in the habit of it, withdraw a little bit. Yeah, just say, okay, I'm going to take 20 bucks out. I'm going to take, you know, 80 bucks. I'm going to take 100. Take something, you know. And you don't have to withdraw all of it. I'm just choosing to withdraw all of it. You don't have to. You can profit, I don't know. If you profited 1%, 2%, I know a lot of you trade off percentages. I don't, but I know a lot of you do. Take out some of it. You know, let's give it a nice round number. If you make 500 bucks, you don't have to take out the whole 500. You can take out 200, 150, and then leave the rest in there, you know? So when I say withdraw, guys, I don't mean take out all of it. You don't have to. You can, but you don't have to. Just get in the habit of withdrawing. Get yourself used to pulling money out of the market. The more you do it, first of all, the more exciting it is, right? Because you're making money. You're getting your money. It's not just sitting in your broker account looking at you every day. You can actually touch it, feel it, pull it out, swipe your debit card, go get the cash, do whatever you got to do, right? But you have to, it does something to you psychologically. Psychologically, guys, pulling money out of the market does something to you. When you can pull that money out and go buy yourself something, or pay a bill or a debt or something that's been stressing you out or something, it does something to you mentally. Mentally, it does something to you. It's just like raising your lot sizes or seeing a certain amount of profit. It does something to you mentally when you hit those milestones, when you hit those levels when you're trading. So get used to that feeling. It's a good feeling. Get used to it, because it's going to grow. It's going to grow from there. Your withdrawals are small at first. You know, when I was doing $100 days, sometimes I was withdrawing my whole 100. I was withdrawing all the money sometimes, because that was money to me. I needed that money. If I said I need to make 300 bucks this week to pay my car note, as soon as I hit $300 profit, I pulled it out. And that doesn't mean 300 in one day. That could mean 100 on this day, 100 on that day, 80 on this day, and 20 on that day. But I was going to pull out my 300 once I made it. At some point, I was going to pull it out. Even if I only hit, I don't know, 50 bucks in that day. I might have pulled out 30 of it. Who knows? But I was going to pull out my car note money, because that's why I'm doing this, to take care of my bills and to help me out financially. It's a sucky feeling, guys. When you work so hard and you build up your account, let's say you're compounding and you build up your account to a certain number, and then you take one stupid trade or something and you lose all of it. You over leverage, you over trade, you know, your entry was whatever, you did all those stuff you shouldn't have done. And the trade just went against you and you lost all that profit. It's a suckier feeling. I hope that's a word. It's a suckier feeling when you built up all that profit just to give it all back. That messes with you psychologically also. When you give it all back, like, damn, I made all that. And imagine if I would have pulled that out. Imagine I would have did this or did that. I remember one time I was trading two separate accounts. And on both accounts, in 2 days, I made 12K on both accounts. I was up 24,000 in 2 days on both accounts. 12,000, 12,000 together, 24. And the following, I didn't withdraw. And I actually built it up a little more, not too much more, but a little more. The following week, I had a losing streak and I actually lost all of it. I lost all of it. Now, it doesn't affect me too much because it's like, okay, it's just profit. I really didn't lose anything because I just gave back what I won. But it still bothered me. It still bothered me mentally. I'm like, Charlene, you had $24,000 and you didn't take out any of it. Any of it. You literally gave it all back. So that messes with you. I don't care where you are in your trading journey, how much money. You could be a millionaire, guys. You could be a millionaire. Nobody likes to lose money. Nobody. So withdraw, guys. Withdraw, please. It doesn't have to be all of it. It can be all of it. Whatever. Just get yourself in the habit of taking your money out. Like, think about it, right? If you work a job, right? You expect your paycheck every 2 weeks. You expect to see that direct deposit hit. I don't care who you are in this world. If you work a job and you're getting direct deposit payment every 2 weeks, I don't know too many people that wake up on that Friday payday and don't check their account. They don't. I don't know how many people that don't. Like, think about it. All of us do it. We all check our account. When I was a police officer, guys, I got paid every 2 weeks. Every Friday when I got paid, I would wake up and the first thing, maybe not first thing all the time, but I would check my account to make sure my paycheck hit. And if it didn't hit, I was freaking out. I was like, wait, hold up. Where's my money? That same sense of urgency that you have for your day job and your payment there is the same sense of urgency you want to have with trading also. You want to have that same thing with trading. Take your money out and expect it to hit your account and make sure it hits your account. Secure that money because it's yours. It doesn't belong to anybody else. It's yours. Okay? Have that same sense of urgency. Charlene, how do I get into your Airbnb course? It's not available yet. Withdrawal lets your subconscious mind know you're making money and you'll put more effort into trading without even knowing. Yeah. And the losses don't hurt as much. Because after a while, guys, whatever you lose in the market is really like profit. Because when you get to the point where you're not funding your account anymore, you're just pulling money out. Even if you lose, it's just profit. You've already made back your principal. So anything that comes and goes is profit. How much is a good amount to start off with? $1,000. Charlene, good morning, good morning, good morning. How many trades do you make in a day? I'm only taking this one trade today. I'm not looking for any more setups. Sorry guys if I skipped some of you in the chat. I'm trying to keep up here. I promise you my emotions are just like yours, Haitian passion. That has happened to me in the time we thank God for the blessings we got. Absolutely, absolutely. Charlene, I almost missed a session. Still holding GU. You called early this week. I will withdraw for sure this week. Awesome, Sammy. Good job. Good morning. I just started to follow you. I like the way you mark your structure. Thank you. Not me. I still have funded the account. I'm here for the knowledge now. Okay, cool. Yeah, those of you that are trading on funded accounts, take your money out, guys. Don't let it sit in there too long. Take your money out. Take it out, put it in a live account, and then take your money out whenever you want there. I have been swing trading unprofitably for a while now, around 100 tracked and journal trades. Overall, I'm just below break even, but by watching your scalping for this week, I can't lie, I want to try. Come on over. I am not about that swing trading life. Do you need beats for your YouTube? I do. You're going backwards if you withdraw and break even. Correct. Yeah. Only withdraw if you actually profit. Beginner here. Can you teach about sniper entry on the smaller time frame after a trend line breakout? I don't trade trend lines, but if you want to learn, get my course, buddy. That's the best way I can help you. Every question is not a black and white answer. It's a lot of explanation that goes into it. Either way, it's been amazing watching. Your emotions have been refreshing. Yeah, you guys have seen me on my highs and my low lows, right? I've had meltdowns on here. I've had happy times on here. The only thing I haven't done here yet is fall asleep on you guys. That's the only thing I haven't done is fall asleep. And I've been known to do that. I love my sleep, so. I'm a weirdo, guys. Sorry. How much do you leverage per trade? For example, percentage. I do not trade off percentages. I trade off of profit and the setup that I see. On this trade, I was trying to have a 10K day. I only closed at 4K. I'm okay with that. But I had 3 positions open on this gold trade. Dear Charlene, please, a word of advice for a newbie who has blown $100 accounts twice. Go back to studying. Study and go back demo until your psychology is back where you need it to be. Because if you are losing, guys, and you keep trading live and you keep losing, it's going to mess with your psychology so bad you're going to want to quit. Because not only are you losing, you're not understanding what you're doing, you keep blowing money that you need. So don't keep doing that. Stop digging yourself into a deeper hole. Just go back to studying. Find a mentor, find a good course, back test the hell out of something, and try your best to get your confidence back up and your knowledge up as much as possible. How many days do the withdrawals take? Days? Doesn't take days at all. Takes maybe an hour or 2 to come through. John Wick, love that name. I'm gonna go see John Wick tomorrow actually at the theater. I haven't seen part 4 yet, so I'm gonna go see it tomorrow. Instead of withdrawing every day, would you recommend withdrawing every week, bi-weekly, or monthly? Definitely not bi-weekly, definitely not monthly, but it's up to you. I can't tell you when it's good. It's up to you, what works for you. Only reason why I have been withdrawing every day is because I'm trying to push that on you guys. I'm trying to influence you guys to want to do it too, to get comfortable with taking your money out. But normally, do I withdraw every day? No. I withdraw when I feel like it. You know, if I have a big day, if I whatever, or if I'm going to go a while without whatever, it depends, all up to you. I would not say bi-weekly or monthly because a lot can happen in 2 weeks and in a month on the charts. Conditions change all the time. You don't want to be on a win streak and be winning. You leave your money in there and then you go on a losing streak and you lose all of it. That's gonna mess with you. So at the very least, every week. At the very least, every week you want to withdraw. Every week, and not even on the Friday, on like a Thursday, because some brokers don't process withdrawals over the weekend. So if you trade on a Friday and you withdraw Friday, now you got to wait till Monday or Tuesday to get your money. You know, so you want to withdraw like on a Thursday, I would say. So that Friday, your withdrawal could hit, you know, Freaky Friday. Some people don't even trade on Fridays. You can have your money and be good to go, you know. And then guess what? You have your withdrawal, right? Your withdrawal hit on Friday morning. And on Friday, if you don't see a good setup or you're not confident about it, just don't trade. You've already made your money for the week. Come back Monday, fresh and ready to go. Do you use USDT wallet or for your in Coinbase? No, I use Bitcoin. Sometimes I use USDT, but for the most part, I use Bitcoin. How many trades do you take in a day? 1. Damn, $100 ain't nothing. Okay, thank you for your advice on withdrawing. It encourages me so much. You're welcome. Dear Charlene, please a word of advice for a newbie who has blown. Okay, I already answered that. Do you ever trade against market structure? Yes, I'm a scalper, so yes, I do. Is it recommended? No, but as a scalper, you can trade both directions and still be profitable. You just gotta know when to get in, when to get out. That's it. Make money, pull it out, get your own account, all the rules and without all the rules and stipulations. Facts, Terrell. Facts. Pay yourself. Yes, pay yourself. Always, always, always. If you guys watch the show Shark Tank, right? I've been watching that show for years. I love Shark Tank. Love to see the new business ideas. I love to hear the financial talk, listening to millionaires and billionaires talk about business and growing and all that other stuff, right? One question, Mr. Wonderful, who's a billionaire on the show, one question he always asks the entrepreneurs that come on the show, and they say, oh yeah, we're profitable. You know, we've made this much this year. We're projecting this much this year. They ask you, how much of that are you paying yourself? Are you reinvesting all the money back into the business, or are you paying yourself out of it? Because you have to pay yourself. There was one lady who came on there once with like a cake business, like a cake pop business or something. And that lady was booming. She was selling cakes everywhere. And it wasn't Lori, it was Barbara. Barbara Corcoran gave her a deal. And Barbara was like, yo, she was saying that she wasn't paying herself. Like, all the money was going back into the business. And she was banking, but she wasn't paying herself. Barbara said, I will only do this deal with you if you agree to pay yourself a salary going forward. The only way I do this deal with you is if you start taking money out of the business that you're making to pay yourself. And the lady was like, done, got it. These are billionaires and millionaires telling you to freaking pay yourself. You owe yourself money. All the money you make. Now, when you start a business, you know, brick and mortar and stuff like that, obviously you can't. You know, you have to put it in the business to continue have it growing, right? But you got to pay yourself. You got to live. You got to live. Can you show us the withdrawal with that Hanko trade? I'm not showing you guys my account on here, but either you believe me or you don't. That's it. I don't really care to show you. Who cares? I haven't requested it yet, but I will. But no, I don't need to show you the withdrawal. What the hell? Okay? Pay yourself. You got to pay yourself, guys. Take advice from people who are where you want to be in life. Okay? I don't just watch that show to, you know, Netflix and chill. No, I watch it for knowledge. I watch it to get advice. I pay attention to it. I take notes sometimes. I'm always looking to expand and to grow my knowledge in the financial industry and business, entrepreneurship, all that stuff. Okay, I don't have any aspirations of being a billionaire. Yeah, that'd be nice, but that's a lot of money. You don't need all that to be happy. Okay, but you can always gain knowledge from all that stuff. All right, thanks for your time. Have a nice day. I love it how you guys win and then you guys leave. You guys do that to me all the time. You guys use me, then you abandon me and you just leave me. You leave the $200 on the dresser and you just walk out. No bueno. Hey Charlene, I'm a new watcher. Digging your style. What's your view on funded accounts? If you're profitable, go for it. Use Top Tier Trader. The link is in my description. If you guys want a discount code, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll get you guys one. Use them if you're profitable. If you're not profitable, you need to be studying. Okay? Would you still be profitable when trading against market structure as a day trader? Yes, if you're scalping. It depends on your style of trading. When you get into a trade, why do you plug in 3 positions instead of 1? Is that part of your risk management strategy? I just like to scalp. That's my preference. It's just preference. Mr. Wonderful isn't a billionaire, but he's worth 400 million USD. I don't know about that. I believe he is a billionaire. Maybe on paper. Maybe his net worth isn't a billions. Maybe liquid he's not a millionaire. But as far as I'm concerned, as far as I was told, and I've been watching, he's a billionaire. So, who knows? Billionaire, millionaire, I really don't care. It really doesn't matter. We have B or M in front of your name. I don't care. I was just using that to make a point. Millionaire motivation was inspiring. Thank you. Had a rough day and it picked me up. You are so welcome. You guys pick me up too when I have rough days, so I understand. I've heard from many experienced traders that this market is the most challenging it's ever been. Do you agree? No. Forex on its own is one of the most volatile markets, but conditions change all the time. So I have an account with $1,000 and I doubled it. How much should I pay me and how much let it grow? Whatever you want, man. Whatever you want. Pull out the whole 1,000 and try to do it again. I would say pull out the entire 1,000. Now you've taken out your principal amount. Now you're risk-free forever. Take out the 1,000 and now do it again. That's it. I would go that route. Just watch, rinse, repeat. That's it. Good morning. Have you broken down yet? Oh my God. You must have just woke up, my friend. You missed the boat. You missed it. Completely missed it. Okay, so I'm going to log off here in a little while, guys. It's 9 o'clock. I'm going to be done for the day. Hi, Pure Fact, Charlene. I have never paid myself from trading, but no doubt those days will come. They will. They will. They will. Benjamin, you asked that question 40 times already. No, I have never traded that pair. I heard of it, but I've never traded it. Hey Charlene, I woke up late today and missed the trade, but I always join your live regardless. Your sessions are always a vibe. Thank you for doing this. You're welcome. Early worm gets what is it? Early worm gets the bread, I think, or something like that. Missed out on a good trade, man. Charlene, I had a 60K week on demo 3 weeks ago in a row. Should I go live? Unless the account size that you had on demo is what you're going to be going live with? No. Everybody's a millionaire on demo. Everybody's a millionaire on demo. Okay. More likes than views. Everybody bail. Yeah, that's how it goes. Yeah, they come on here, they use me, and then they leave the money on the counter. It's okay. It's okay. I'm used to it. It's okay. But I'm glad. That's how it should be. That means they're off. They're more than likely off the charts. They made their money and they're off enjoying their day now. And I have no problem with that whatsoever. Early bird catches the worm. There we go. Thank you. But yeah, I have no problem with it, guys. I love it. I love it. If you see me take a trade, or you take a trade and you profited for the day and you're done and you're off doing your thing, that's what it's about. That's what it's about right there. Right there. You don't need to stay on the charts analyzing, looking for another setup, hoping for this. No. You get your money, get your win, and get out. Get out. Get off the charts. Close up. Close your trading view. Close your MT4. Request your withdrawal. Wait for that baby to hit and go enjoy your day. Go enjoy your day. 100K funded. Congratulations, my guy. Congratulations. Congratulations. Charlene, thanks for all that you do. Love how authentic you are. Have a great day ahead. You as well. You as well. You as well. I'm still here in this GU sell. Why are you taking sells in a bullish market, my friend? That shows that you're I don't know what's going on here, but you're taking sells in a bullish market. I would be very cautious of that. All right. So appreciate you guys for today. It's after 9 o'clock. I got to go get ready for my appointment. I'll be on tomorrow, same time, same place, and you guys be good. Okay, love each and every one of you. You guys have a great day. I will leave the session on for you guys to watch later, and then we'll be back on tomorrow. Okay, guys. So I am out. It's your girl Charlene FX, your favorite female trader, and I'll see you guys on the next live. Peace and love. I'm out. What's up, bro?